Good morning, it's Rachel here. I am back from Rome and Sarah left on Monday and Lily and I caught the train back here and we both had tummy virus the whole trip, which was not very pleasant. And then I woke up yesterday with a migraine and I still have a bit of a sore tummy, so I haven't really been able to do much. But yesterday afternoon I sort of was able to get out of bed, and so I did a little bit of scanning because all that took was sitting by the computer. I'm a bit behind with my orders. I haven't been able to package them up and ship them out because I was sick, so I will get everything shipped out tomorrow except for the made-to-order items, which I still have to work on. So I'm sorry for the delay, but I really was so unwell I just couldn't do anything. But I do have some new digital kits in my shop. The first one is a trim kit because I've collected up a whole lot of antique and vintage trims. This one especially, I've got them here in the bag. This is from the early 1800s, and I think it was off a priest's robes, or from, you know, like something in the church. So it's really beautiful. So I printed them out on high quality printable paper, and what I did with this file was I put them in a PDF. You won't get the JPEGs because with the JPEGs you just waste paper trying to print out trims, so I did it all for you. I put them already in a PDF file, so you get them. This is what I call vertically, so you'll get a larger, probably slightly wider and longer piece. If you print that one out, you'll get two PDF files. So this is the vertical one, and the trims are really beautiful. I put a lot of trims in rather than making a whole lot of little packs. I put them all in one, so they're really gorgeous. So that's all the vertical here, and then the horizontal, it will be 2 pages, and I've put them in so they're slightly smaller. Yep, they come out slightly smaller, not quite as wide, and shorter pieces, because maybe you don't want to print out big, longer pieces of trims. So, and then there you only print out 2 sheets. So that's the first one, and that is the second one. It's kind of hard to get in screen. I have to hold it that way. So there's, I can't remember how many trims. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep, 14 trims in that one. This one I have not put in my shop. I'm still debating about it. It's the labels. I did do some research to try and see. These are from the very first decade in the 1900s. So 1900, from let's say 1900 to 1910. And I don't think they are protected by copyright, but I'm not quite sure, so I may not list this one until I know a bit more. I did do a Google search with the images to see what came up, and one label did come up with the wine company, so I did not scan that one. Well, I did scan it, but I didn't put it in a pack. That one's not going in a pack. But none of these came up. Nothing came up for these ones, so I'm assuming they're okay. Does anybody know about wine labels? Because I would really love to put this in, because these are really cool things to use in your journals as tags and that sort of thing. But you know, of course, you know me, I don't want to do the wrong thing, so I have printed them out, but I don't know whether I will publish it, yes or no. So that's that one. This one I have put in. This is a mixed ephemera pack. So you get some embroideries. You'll get some trims as well, and lace. Some more embroideries. One label here. A postcard. Another embroidery. So this is the PDF file that I'm showing you. This is a beautiful antique letter from 1873, and I just love the writing. Antique postcard, antique label there. This is the other side of the letter when you open it out. Some more embroideries and postcards. So just a regular mixed ephemera pack. So that's the PDF file. Of course, with this one, you will also get the JPEG files, so you can play around with them and print them as big or small as you like. So that is it for this video. So this is in my shop and the trims are in my shop, but not the labels. If anybody has any information about labels, that would be great. I have the bag of trims here. I can show you a few. I don't have all of my ephemera pulled out because I did put it all away. And some of it I had scanned a while ago, but never. Just show you some of the trims before I go off. Yeah, as I was saying, if anyone can find out about the labels, that would be fabulous. And then the other thing I want to do is maybe do some creating with these bits and pieces. And I'm not sure, I think I'll do that in a separate video. So I've showed you the packs, and then in the next video I will show you how I use them. So thank you for watching. Sorry for my vague kind of video. I will be back in action very soon, I hope, and I hope everyone is well. And I'd like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.